Alright, it's December 22nd, a little after 1 in the afternoon, with -7 temperatures and a -23 below wind chill. And I just got done blowing snow because it's been snowing ever since Monday. Yesterday we got over 8 inches of snow, and I actually blew out of my driveway over about 1.5 feet of snow, maybe a little bit more. I'll show you here. There's a little bit of it. If you come walking up the walk, you can see how deep it is. This is just from blowing it out today. This is over about a week worth of snow, guys. 8+ inches yesterday on the 21st. Come down here into the driveway. I got most of my driveway cleared out of snow, but that'll get pushed back in, so I'll deal with that later. But yeah, you can see the walls on the side. So yeah, over 1 foot of snow. I blew about 1.5 feet of snow. My beard is ice. My mustache, not so bad, but my beard is ice. I covered up my face and all that. Go show you the backyard where my dogs are, where they have to go to the bathroom. This is my backyard, folks. All that wall is from all the snow back here. The fire pit is right in there somewhere. I got a small tree back there that's buried. You can see the dog trails where they like to go running in and out, but they're so cold, their feet are getting too cold, so I have to watch that. Back here we've got 2 feet, maybe 2.5 feet of snow in the backyard. And those are those who don't know your inches. A foot, 12 inches is a foot. So if I say 2.5 feet, it's about 30 inches of snow back here. And I got 6 small dogs. A Dachshund, a Chihuahua, 2 Chihuahuas actually, a mini Aussie, a Collie mix. I want to say she's a Collie mix. She's a foster. 1 Chihuahua is a foster, and we got another Spaniel. Maybe it's the heavier one's a Spaniel too. I don't know. So 3 are ours and 3 are fosters. Yeah, look at that, guys. Minnesota, Northern Metro of the Twin Cities, and it's fucking cold. My wife will be getting home here soon, but as I was blowing snow, it wasn't so cold because I was warm. I was moving, I was warm. Now that I stopped, I'm actually gonna close this garage door. Getting cold because now my hunting gear that I wore to keep warm is getting cold. I'm getting cold because I was sweating as I was doing stuff. So when you're this cold, when it's this cold, if it was at 10, maybe not even 10 minutes when it's this cold that your skin exposed, you risk getting frostbite. So bundle up, people. This is no joke. Yeah. Bundle up, stay safe, because with these temperatures and these wind chills, no one's safe. Don't go anywhere unless you need to.